Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about cacheable HTTPS response. Let's understand why it is vulnerable. Basically, if application's response stores a sensitive data or information in the local cache, then there might be a chances that other user get access to this sensitive data. Also, it is very harmful if this sensitive information gets stored in a local cache for a longer period of time, then this can be lead to the data loss and the confidentiality breach. Now, how to prevent this vulnerability? There are directives which can be used to overcome this vulnerability. Few of them are cache control max age, cache control no cache, and cache control no store. Using these directives, you can prevent your application and make it secure. Thank you.